Hi friends, it's Miss Tiffany. I have another tea book for us. This book is about tornadoes, and tornadoes are a part of our weather. We don't have tornadoes where we live though, so I want you to remember that. And the author of Tornadoes is Brian Cassie. What did Brian do? The author writes the story. So Brian Cassie wrote the story because he's the author. And the title is Tornadoes. Tornadoes are very wild and dangerous storms. These storms do not happen often. When tornadoes do happen, people sometimes call them twisters. Twisters also starts with letter T. A tornado is a spinning storm with very, very strong winds. The winds spin in a circle. A tornado is shaped like a funnel or a cone. The tornado reaches from the clouds all the way down to the ground. Some tornadoes are fat, some tornadoes are skinny, but all tornadoes are powerful. Tornadoes form when warm, wet air meets cool, dry air high up in the sky. The warm air and the cool air have lots of energy. If the two types of air push each other hard enough, this can make a thunderstorm. Thunderstorms are huge clouds with lightning and thunder. They also have strong winds. Tornadoes sometimes form in the middle of a big, powerful thunderstorm. The air in the storm spins around very fast. It moves two ways. The air spins around in a circle, and the air also moves up very fast in the middle of the circle. Sometimes the spinning winds drop down out of the clouds and reach the ground. When this happens, we call the storm a tornado. A tornado that forms over water is called a waterspout. Waterspouts can be very fat or very skinny, just like tornadoes that form over land. You may have seen pictures of tornadoes, but not many people will ever see a real tornado. Have you ever wondered what it's like to see a tornado in person? Before a tornado, the sky gets dark. Sometimes the clouds turn green. Next, the wind starts to blow. Pretty soon, it's really blowing. With the wind comes rain. It can rain very, very hard when a tornado is coming. With the wind and the rain come thunder and lightning. The wind gets even stronger. With the strong winds and bright lightning and booming thunder comes hail. Hail are balls of ice that form inside thunderstorms. Usually hail is small, but it can sometimes be as big as baseballs. Then, with all of the wind and rain and thunder and lightning and hail, comes the tornado itself. The winds in a tornado are the fastest on Earth. They move much faster than the fastest race car. They make an awesome noise as they spin around. Up close, a tornado sounds like 100 trains all zooming by at the same time. People who hear a tornado never forget the sound. Tornadoes are so powerful that they can pick up things and throw them in the air. Tornadoes can blow small buildings down. In places where tornadoes are common, people have special tornado shelters under the ground. If there is no special tornado shelter, the basement is the best place to be. Never stay near a window since the glass almost always breaks and flies around during a tornado. Scientists who study tornadoes have invented weather machines that tell them where tornadoes might form. The scientists call for a tornado watch if the weather looks like a tornado might happen. If a tornado is actually spotted, a tornado warning is given on television and radio. People must pay attention to these warnings. They need to seek shelter right away if there's a tornado spotted in the area. Where are tornadoes common? The United States has the most tornadoes in the world, but not where we live. The middle part of the United States and the state of Florida have the most tornadoes. The center of the United States from Texas up into Nebraska and Iowa has the biggest tornadoes. This area is called Tornado Alley. People who live in this part of the United States know what to do if a tornado comes. Florida has the most tornadoes, but not the biggest ones. Florida also has the most waterspouts. Do you remember what we said waterspouts are? They're tornadoes that form over water, like the ocean at the beach. Tornadoes and waterspouts happen over much of the earth. Most of them form in spring and summer. Tornadoes usually form late in the afternoon. Tornadoes are truly wonders of nature. I don't know about you guys, but I'm happy that we don't have tornadoes where we live. So this was our T book. Tornadoes starts with letter T. And tornadoes are a part of weather. I hope you liked it. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.